Hi, welcome. I'm Jackie, and this is going to be a slow yin class just to help you open up, slow down, and hopefully relax a bit. If you like this class, I have longer yoga classes available at yogadownload.com. For today, you can grab a folded blanket, and a small pillow or bolster or a bed pillow will work too. If you don't have props or you don't want to use them, no problem. You can still do this class without them. We'll begin today in child's pose, or it's called tadpole in yin. So you can come to your hands and your knees and spread your knees wide. And then lower your hips down towards your heels. Bow your head to the mat and then bring your arms by your sides, or you can bring them in front with your forearms down. If you want to use props for this, you can take a folded blanket or your bed pillow and place it on your ankles, and you can make it as high or low as you want. And then sit back on those props. Find what's most comfortable for you. In yin, we look for what we call the Goldilocks place. So not too hot, not too cold, if you remember that story. In this case, it would be not too much or not too little sensation. So we want to find the middle place, the middle path. The place that feels good in our bodies, just right for us. We'll stay here for just a couple minutes. Try to disengage as much as possible. Your mind and your muscles. Gather a deep breath in. Let it go, let it out. And then slowly and carefully press yourself up And then forward as you straighten your legs and lie down on your belly. You can look right or left, or you can bring your hands in front of you and place the center of your forehead on the back of your hands. Just rest here, belly down, giving yourself a chance to recover. Notice the sensations that you feel in your hips and in your legs. And then slowly press yourself up to tabletop position. Once in table, we'll take Swan, also known as half pigeon. So you can slide your right knee forward towards your right wrist and inch your right foot in a bit, and then walk your left leg back so that the heel of your right foot is up towards your hip crease. From this place, you can bow all the way down and rest your head on the mat. Some options are to take a blanket or your bolster and place it underneath your right hip to help you find the right depth for your body and to help you feel good in this posture. Or if this variation doesn't work for your knees or your hips, you can lie on your back and take your right ankle in front of your left knee and then just gently hold your left hamstring, and you can draw it in, or you can hold over top of your knee. So pick which variation feels the best for you, and just melt right in. Try to disengage and relax. Let your mind slow down a bit. Let your thoughts come and go, and try not to cling to any one of them. If you need to exit early, you can straighten your right leg behind you at any time. We want to avoid pain or tingling or numbness or anything like that. So honor your body. Gather a deep breath in. Let it out. And then press yourself up. And you can exit slowly by straightening your right leg out behind you and once again lying on your belly. If you're in the version where you're on your back, you can lie on your back and straighten your legs. And we'll take this moment again in between postures and after them to rest, to recover, to feel. Notice what you feel all down your right leg, in your right hip, right knee, right ankle, everything. Just feel it. And slowly press yourself up to the other side. You can take left knee forward towards left wrist and take it wide, and then just inch your left heel slightly to the right. We want to avoid bringing right shin way forward and towards parallel to the top of the mat, because that would force your knee into rotation, and we don't want that. So keep it in tight, and then walk your right leg back. You can always use a prop here underneath left hip. If you're on your back, you just bring the opposite leg in front now and draw everything in. Work for the first few moments of the posture just to find that place that feels just right, that feels good. Yin is about being, whereas Yang is about doing. This is a time to be, to recharge, to tune in and rest. Gather a deep breath in and then let it out. And make your way onto your belly if you're in the face down version. And if you are on your back, you can simply straighten your legs out in front of you. Close your eyes and once again just feel. Final shavasana. You can just flip over if you are on your belly. Legs stretched out, arms by your sides, palms lay up, eyes closed. Just continue to feel, to unclench. Notice the sensations. Observe your mind and your thoughts without getting caught up. You can stay here in shavasana as long as you would like. Or you can gently roll onto your right or your left side. And use your hands to press yourself up to a seated position, whatever's comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in. Let out a long and complete exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a lovely day or evening. Namaste.